Hi everybody, welcome of our channel Carlo&Seb. Today we will show you how to make 4 different masks. The first one with the socks, the other one with a scarf, with tissue paper, or just with a simple t-shirt. How to make 4 different masks. The first one with the socks, the other one with a scarf, with tissue paper, or just with a simple t-shirt. So for the first one with the bandana, we will need just 4 elastics and the tissue paper, like an option, or the coffee filter. So you need to put it like that, open it. So we start to open it completely. And so the first step, you fold it in half. Again, and after, you just need to decide if you want to use the filter or the tissue one or the coffee filter. So for the first one, you put it like that, you put it in the middle, like that, you put elastic on the final. So now you flip that over and you put it like that inside. And if you want to extend because your face is too big like mine, you put one more elastic for each side. Oh. And that's it, it's done.
Okay.
So now is the second option, the mask with just only tissue paper. So let's go. For this mask we need just one tissue paper and 4 elastic and 1 stapler. So we need to fold it like an accordion, like that. Like that, it's already done. And we need just to put the elastic to hold it like that. We use the stapler. The same for the other side. Like that, and now we just need to open it and just to use it. If you have a big head, you can extend it with another elastic for extending. So yeah, if you are worried to use this mask because it will be too light, you can just put one more tissue paper in additional in the same one. So like that, it's double more filter. And you can put it here we go. Who is the boss? So now we will try to do the third type of mask with sock and coffee filter or tissue paper and with scissors. So depends of how many you need, but you can use a big sock or the small one like you want. So you need just to cut it here and here. So I will show you. You need just to slip.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah.
A little more here. And we open it good inside, and we can put the coffee filter inside. Like that, and just to wear it.
There we go.
So with this option, it's really good. You are really protect for the coronavirus, but maybe you will lose your dignity. Well, it's like an option. Or you can use this big sock, and you can do 2 masks with this one. You can cut it here and cut it here. So like that, it's like you want. So now we will use the 4th option with the t-shirt. So we will fold it like that. And we will cut it just here.
Okay.
We'll do the same to the other side.
Okay.
I'm done. And now we turn it and we cut it here.
So Sebastian already cut it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it. So we're going to open this one like so, and then make sure we made 2 sides because we're going to make a pouch. So align it like so. So there you go. So you're going to have 4 strings in there. There you go. So yeah, and then you're going to put the filter, the coffee filter, inside this one. There you go. And then all this you're going to cut. So you do have 4 strings. You're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut all of it. And then where's the other one? Okay, and then after that you're gonna fold it, tuck that in, and then like so. Then you're gonna put it down here, and then you can tie it on the back like so, and then on the bottom part of it like so. There you have it.
So now the last part to do it, just after to make the 4th model, the different models, we will taste it. So for this one, it's approved.
Yeah.
So for this model, I used the 2 tissue papers for more protection. The second one is good too. Yeah, it's this one. So we tasted already all of the masks, and for me this one is the best one, my favorite, the most chic and most fashion. So now we done already this video, so I hope you enjoyed. And just I have one question, which one is your favorite? So don't forget to reply at this answer, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and do what makes you happy. Bye bye!